Hi, I'm Nick.
And I'm Delaney.
Welcome to 4-Minute Friday Fun with BCSC Tech. What are we
Mm-hmm.
doing today? It's actually spring out. It's nice
I
out.
know, it's beautiful. We're doing seesaw.
Seesaw. So like all of our playgrounds are getting updated now.
Yeah, so now we get to talk about seesaws.
I don't really know why it's called seesaw, other than it kind of goes back and forth between teacher and student.
Seesaw. Yeah.
Seesaw. But what it is an online kind of journaling activity platform that you can create for your kids. Pretty engaging. So if you're thinking about UDL framework,
And it's for free.
It's for free. Engaging, multiple ways for students to express what they know. Representation is all very good as well within this. So you do have to create a class. You have to classify it. You can Google single sign-on, which is nice. And so we made a class called 4-Minute Friday, of course.
Absolutely.
And I'm the teacher, so this is where you end up going. You can invite students, and it gives you a code for those students if you want to invite them. So you can even invite families, but the student code, it gives you a QR code, which they can actually scan. So you can print this off, and then when they log in, it'll scan it. Or you can give them this text code. And then when they go over to it, it'll look like this, and they can sign in. And then you're either going to access it as, and it's going to ask that, a QR code or a student code right there. So either way, it's pretty nice. So we get out of there. So once you have your class set up, you can have them journal first off. So all of your students will be in there and can sign their name, and they can create journals, which is nice. So if you're thinking about metacognition and things you're looking at, it's a pretty good way to do there.
Yeah.
And then there's activities. So you can create your own by clicking add. And I'm going to go to the shared activities, and there's the create new up there. But there is a large library of activities, and I'll play the instructions.
In celebration of Women's History Month, tell about a woman who changed the world and how she inspires you. First, tap the add. Next, tap the drag tool to draw a picture. Then, tap the caption tool to write how this woman changed the world. Next, tap the microphone and turn the mic.
So you can see that there are at least 3 different prompts there that allow you to do it, and there's a lot more. So when you create one, you give your instructions there. You can put it in voice instructions. You can give examples and a template even if you want for students, which is really nice. So then let me go back to my classroom. I've shared this one with it because we liked it. We can add a student response here, and the students will get there. What is that?
Google Drive.
Yeah, so you can link directly to Google Drive.
Very
if you have Chromebooks, it's nice. You can add photos, videos, drawings, notes, or links.
Oh, and they can play the instructions again right there from that page. That's
you can play the instructions again right there. And then when your students have answered it, so let's draw a picture here, and you can see it's all pretty easy, basic instructions there. I'm going to make a black sun because I can't think of anything else right now.
Yeah, it definitely has to do with a woman who changed the world.
Yes, it does. Sunlight brings life. Women bring life. So there is your picture, and you can kind of submit that with the check mark.
Should have drawn an armadillo.
And then you can do that. Yes, should have drawn an armadillo. Oh, shoot. So then you have all of these uploaded performances, and you can kind of see that. The settings do allow you to change if everyone can see it or just you, which is also nice. And then again, you can invite parents in there, but it is a nice online journaling thing where you can ask them to do things or they can just do it themselves based on daily lessons.
Nice.
Any questions?
No, I think you covered it.
All right.
Awesome.
Have a happy weekend.
See ya.